Python applications focused on AI and machine learning may be made more efficient in a variety of ways. One of the most important ways to push AI, milliliter software development workflows to their boundaries will be to leverage the capability of multithreading and multiprocessing. AMD's MI300X GPUs change AI-driven biological research. Researchers can handle complex biological data more efficiently using the MI300X's large memory capacity and high bandwidth, thereby accelerating discoveries in genomics and drug development. IBM has declared the release of its Agent Communication Protocol, ACP, an open standard intended to facilitate the smooth connection and cooperation of AI agents constructed using various frameworks and technology stacks. The powerful Intel Xeon Platinum 8470Q has many cores, cutting-edge features, and scalability. Despite its high infrastructure and cost, it may deliver huge performance benefits for enterprises with high computing needs. If you want cutting-edge features, high performance, and future-proofing, the RTX 30 series is the winner with its improved ray tracing, DLSS, and performance. Not everyone is a good fit for the AMD Ryzen Threadripper 39900X CPU. Professionals that handle intricate, multi-threaded workloads are the target audience for this specialized product. It's critical to comprehend QRNGs and their significance in order to fully appreciate this advancement. Encryption, cybersecurity, simulations, gaming, and other scientific applications all depend on random numbers. Recent experiments on IBM's noisy intermediate-scale quantum (NISQ) devices have successfully shown conclusive violations of classical predictions pertaining to a basic idea known as quantum contextuality. The new functionality is called AWS Secrets Manager Cost Allocation Tags. Assigning a key value pair to an AWS resource is possible with cost allocation tags, a general AWS functionality. Apt41 is a Chinese cyber threat group that is known for doing both independent, monetarily driven cybercrime and state-sponsored espionage. For more such content, subscribe to our channel.